Episode 2 of Sid, the Hungry Seagull.
Hello, Sid.
He's going to go to the other bit.
Sid. Wait.
He's trying to go to the other bit.
And we thought we was on our own for our anniversary. And then we found that we had an added extra member to the room. Most men will be happy to have 2 birds in their room, but I'm none too impressed with Sid. Sid eats a lot, he shows his arse at the window, and he likes to chat. Say hello, Sid.
He said no.
Go on, say hello.
Unless he taps the window.
Yeah, when he wants to come in. Here he comes. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. What's he doing? Oh, there we go. And he says hello. See, a tap at the window and he says hello. Right, Sid. I'm now waving at Sid. And now I'm going to show you what Nanetta does best. She's going to keep the birds away.
Let's
Go on
try
then.
my brush. There you go.
Nan often throws birds. Sorry. Brushes at birds. Anyway, that's all for now. I am now going to check out my own bird. Bye.